Hi, fifth grade. We are going to go over the solutions for lesson 85 of math. You need your math book, you need your assignment, and you need something to correct with. We're starting on page 446. Number one, your drawing should look something like this. You should have a rectangle divided into fifths with 3 of the fifths shaded, and it is 60%. Number two, 401, 401. Number three, 2.5 centimeters, 25 millimeters. Number four is 80 times 80. Number five is A, segment BC. Number six, A is 3, B is 2/3. Number seven, A is 12, B is 24. Number 8, 3 1/2 inches. Number 9, 0, 0.01, 0.1, 1.0. Number 10 is 8 pints. Number 11 is 3,000 milliliters. Number 12, your first answer should be 16 4/6. 16 4/6. Your second answer should be 16 2/3. Number 13 is $30.51. $30.51. Number 14 is 2.414. 2 414 thousandths. Number 15 is 160,380. 160,380. Number 16 is $25, $25.00. Number 17 is 400, remainder 5, 400 R5. Number 18 is 25 cents, $0.25. Number 19 is 3/4, 3/4. Number 20 is 1 1/3. Number 21, your first fraction should be 6/10, 6/10. Your second fraction should be 5/10, 5/10. Your sum should be 1 1/10. If you wrote 11/10, that's okay, it's still correct, but you need to practice simplifying your fractions. Number 22 is 11 27/100, 1.27. Number 23 is 3. Number 24 is 4 feet 11 inches. Number 25 is 5 feet 5 inches. Number 26, 4, 8, 16, 32. Number 27, about 25 times. Number 28 is 20. Number 29, the mode is 90 because the score 90 occurs more often than any other score. And number 30, the median is 90 because it is the middle score when the scores are arranged in numerical order. Those are the solutions for lesson 85 of math. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you here later, guys.